Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable email notifications in the Foodpanda application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button. And at the settings section, click on the white circle next to the receive offers by email button. And once it turned pink, this function is enabled, so you will receive emails from the application on certain topics. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.